India is a land of diverse cultures and religions, so it's no surprise the country has some of the most fascinating temples in the world. One such temple that has captured the imagination of visitors for centuries is the Karni Mata Temple, also known as the Temple of Rats or Rat Temple. Located in the town of Deshnok in the state of Rajasthan, the temple is a unique example of how religion, culture, and nature intersect in India. Before we learn more about India, make sure to subscribe so you can stay updated with the latest on Asia, the largest continent on Earth. The temple is dedicated to Karni Mata, a Hindu sage and mystic who is worshipped as an incarnation of the goddess Durga. According to legend, Karni Mata lived in the 14th century and was a member of the Charan caste, which was known for its devotion to Lord Shiva. She was known for her miraculous powers and was believed to be able to bring the dead back to life. One of the most striking features of the temple is the presence of thousands of rats that roam freely within the premises. These rats, known as kabas, are considered to be the incarnations of Karni Mata's devotees and are believed to bring good luck and blessings to those who visit the temple. It is said that if a rat runs over your feet, it brings good luck and is a sign of Karni Mata's blessing. The rats are treated with utmost respect and care within the temple premises. Visitors are required to remove their shoes before entering, as stepping on rats is considered disrespectful. Feeding the rats is also strictly regulated. Devotees are allowed to offer food and milk to the rats, but they must be careful not to disturb them or hurt them in any way. Temple authorities keep the temple clean and hygienic despite the large number of rats. There are underground channels that help in the proper disposal of waste, and rats are fed grains and milk in the temple. The temple authorities also ensure that the rats are well cared for and vaccinated against diseases. Another reason why the temple is a popular tourist attraction is its architecture. It is built in the Mughal style of architecture and has beautiful marble carvings and paintings. Silver doors and marble carvings of rats adorn the temple's main entrance, while Karni Mata's idol sits on a silver throne in the inner sanctum. There is no better example of how religion and tradition are intertwined with nature and animals than the Karni Mata Temple. Hindus believe that all living beings are interconnected, and each animal plays a part in a divine plan. The rats in the Karni Mata Temple are considered to be divine creatures and are treated with reverence and respect. The temple is a popular destination for tourists and devotees alike, who come from all over the world to see the rats and seek the blessings of Karni Mata. The temple is open to visitors throughout the year, but the best time to visit is during the festivals of Navratri and Diwali, when the temple is decorated with lights and flowers. Despite the controversy surrounding the treatment of the rats, the Karni Mata Temple remains a popular tourist destination. The temple authorities have taken steps to ensure that the rats are well cared for and have implemented measures to maintain the cleanliness and hygiene of the temple. The temple also reflects the Hindu belief in the cycle of life, death, and rebirth. According to Hinduism, the soul is immortal and continues to be reborn in different forms until it attains moksha or liberation from the cycle of birth and death. By showing respect and reverence to these rats, devotees seek blessings from Karni Mata and hope for a better rebirth in their next life. In conclusion, the Karni Mata Temple is a fascinating and unique destination that offers a glimpse into the rich cultural and religious heritage of India. It showcases the intersection of religion, culture, and nature, and is a testament to the diverse beliefs and traditions that exist in India. Whether you are a devotee seeking blessings or a tourist looking for an offbeat destination, the Karni Mata Temple is definitely worth a visit. Continue to keep track of the journey into the age of Asia. Subscribe to this channel so we can become a leading channel in telling the story of the largest continent on Earth.